Welcome back. Today we got the iPhone X with the open screen. The battery was blown and it pushed the screen and cracked the screen. So let's replace the battery with a new screen. You can remove the bracket, remove all the screws. I had removed the screws, sort them because every screw is in a different shape, so we don't need to mix. Otherwise we can maybe dig the board, so it's important to sort the screws. I have unplugged a different flex cable and not the battery. We should unplug the battery first. I just mixed. I didn't know which flex cable to remove because it's a 2 battery. I thought it's the other flex cable. Also the battery is too much blown. I'm scared while I'm working on it. I don't want to make something wrong with the battery and causing it to be explode or something. Thanks God nothing happened to me while doing any battery replacement. But I have in my life seen my friend getting over the bench and get away from his life. The battery explode and makes some fire on the bench and on the chair, and thanks God he was okay and he didn't get hurt. Since then I'm always too patient while removing any battery. So we removed and unplugged the battery first. We have also the ear speaker flex cable and 2 flex cable connected to the screen. Alright, these should be removed. Now let's remove the battery. I don't want to remove the adhesive from under it. I just going to pull the battery and then I'm going to put the alcohol under it. After that the battery should be removed easily. I don't want to make any force to the battery. I just pulling a bit. I'm not even pushing, so you have to be careful. No need to push that much. I'm thinking what to do, but I'm going to go with the alcohol. The alcohol will remove the battery fast. It's like magic. Let's now see the difference. You see, the first battery has been removed. The second, let's put some alcohol. We don't need to put too much alcohol. We don't need the alcohol leaked to the parts, just to the adhesive under the battery. That's all we are going to do. So push a few until the battery being removed. Alright, the magic is working. The battery is out. That's it. Look the shape of the battery. I don't know why the batteries keep doing that. They should made something can protect that. Let's see the difference. We have a difference between the new one and the old one. Yeah, it's like a balls. Anyway, you don't have to keep the old battery. You just throw them to recycle or whatever manufacturers. Take the batteries, remove the sticker and put the battery on the position. After that, I'm going to proceed to replace the screen. I just going to check the screen before assemble. This is always the first step I'm doing. I'm always checking the screen before doing the assembly and put the ear speaker in position or swapping the ear speaker. The ear speaker, it's on the old screen, we just need to put it into the old one. Put the password, check the screen, the quality, and also we are going to check the battery. The battery, it's new and we should read 100%. Alright, maximum capacity 100%. Apple said when the battery is 80%, so it's bad and need to be replaced. But some people didn't do that and can also keep using it until it goes or die. I replaced the battery while it was 36%. That's too much, I think. Anyway, now we are going to swap. I have speed the video because our job in this video showing you the situation we got with the opened screen. The battery pushed the screen and cracked the screen. Sometimes if the battery can't push the screen, it may explode. You know the pressure can make some explosion. While the battery can push the screen out, so you are in a safe place. But if the battery couldn't push the screen out, so it may gonna explode. And in a few cases we noticed some injuries or some risks happen to some people. We don't know some details, but this can happen. It could be happens maybe 0.01%. So when you see or when you notice your screen is not fitting to the frame, so it means the battery is blown and need to be replaced as soon as possible. This is important information you have to know. You can replace the battery by yourself or you can send your phone to the maintenance shop. Replacing the battery doesn't need too much experience. The tools, the screwdriver, and some alcohol will do the benefit and replace the battery easily. I always like to share some information with you just to be cautious and know and understand everything. This is the ear speaker flex cable. You have to swap everything from the old to the new screen. Make sure everything fit in place and in the good direction. Anyway, our job for this phone has been ended. No much detail should be told. Everything should be cleared enough. But if you have any questions, you can just leave it on the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. If you like this video, don't forget to like and to subscribe to support our channel. Your subscribe is matter for us. This will support us to keep and continue. Thank you for watching, and we will do something else in the next video. Peace.